today we are gonna go from Tirupati to Bangalore. So the time is 5 o'clock in the morning. So I have to start. There's gonna be nothing much to show you because almost everything is going to be dark out here. So once the sunlight comes and it's nice for the view, I will be recording again. As of now, I'll just show you a little bit and I'll be turning off the cam. So yeah guys, we just have crossed Chittoor now. Our time is 6 o'clock. So yeah, it's 178 kilometers from here to Bangalore. So yeah, let's see how much time it's gonna take. So I actually wanted to thank you people for the the video's response. It was a good one, but I'm sorry if anything is wrong. You could please give a comment so that I will try to rectify the mistakes and I will try to improve. As it was my first video, so I wasn't so comfortable in doing all that. So the editing and all were new to me, so I'll keep improving. Yeah, that's it. So I am almost near Mulbagal right now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the clouds over there because it was so nice. Yeah, the time is 6:51 right now. Oh, X6. Damn. Oh, perfect timing of the GoPro actually. Yeah, Mulbagal is 1 kilometer from here, so we have to go inside the right side, and Bangalore is 106. It's not much far. Can be there by almost 9 o'clock, 9:30. So I have got fuel, it's half a tank. So I'll see somewhere if it's fine, I'll fill, or I can reach Bangalore with this fuel actually. But for safety, I'll just try. Yeah, I guess like this we have to go to Mulbagal. So usually when I come from Bangalore or when I go, I stop in this Anand Bhavan. It's a good place for having your breakfast or lunch or anything. It's so good. But today I'm not stopping because I have something to eat with me. So I'll go to my room and I'll be having that. Yeah, I'll stop somewhere for some 5 minutes in front somewhere, because the insects are filled. My helmet visor is filled with insects. I can't see anything in the forward. So I'll just cross some place and I'll stop for some time over there. I hope the audio is okay because the wind noise is gonna be too much. Yeah, I'm planning to go to RYNOX store actually. The one is opened in Bangalore. It was opened 2 weeks back, I guess, 2 to 3 weeks back. It's a new one actually. So I just wanted to visit there. I just wanted to visit. I'm not gonna buy anything, but I'll just check. And yeah, that's it. And then on Thursday I am gonna go home and return. So I'm not gonna do much vlogging of that because already my first video is the same thing. So I'm not gonna do it a bit more, but yeah, if I stop somewhere or something, I'll be just do something like that. But I'm not gonna do the motovlog too much in that video. I'll stop the video for some time and I will start when I
get something good to see. Just like the BMW X6 which just went in a perfect time. I on the GoPro. Bangalore is 93 kilometers more. Yeah, so I just stopped for a quick break and have to start now. So I just wanted to show the view of the clouds passing through the hill over there. So yeah, fine. So yeah, I am gonna reach Bangalore within some half an hour mostly. So yeah, this is how I packed my luggage. And there's not much luggage actually, so I just packed it somewhat like that. Yeah, this is some lake or something here. It's nice. So fine, let's start. It's getting late actually. I have to go to college as well. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, next time mostly I'm gonna stop over here because this view is good over here. And there also it's nice, peaceful, but let's see. Hoskote is 27 kilometers, so it's gonna take me around 50 kilometers almost now. So by 1 hour of 45 minutes I am gonna reach. I hope there is no traffic. If traffic is there, done over. It's gonna take more time. Bangalore is, yeah, as I told, 49, so it's 50 kilometers almost. Yeah, gonna reach there by 1 hour. I hope there is no traffic actually. So yeah guys, we are done. We have reached Bangalore, and yeah, just a kilometer from here to my room. So Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.